Tutorial video on Address Resolution Protocol and Comptia Network Plus by Indian Cybersecurity Solutions.
Hello everybody, my name is Devashish Roy. I'm the Senior Network Trainer as well as Cisco Networking Specialist at the Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, and these are my contact information for LinkedIn and Twitter. Today I'm going to talk about an N+ topic, that is ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. ARP works in the data link layer of the OSI model. PCs use ARP protocol to communicate with each other. So if many PCs are connected to a switch, then they use ARP to communicate with each other in a LAN. How ARP works? Now through ARP, the PC finds the destination MAC address of a PC. If the destination PC's IP address is known to the source PC, but the MAC is unknown, then ARP is used. The source PC then sends an ARP broadcast through every port except the source port. So except the source port means where the source PC is connected, only except that port, to all the other ports the ARP broadcast is sent to know the destination PC's MAC address. Now eventually the destination PC replies with its MAC address to the source. This ARP operation, A, B, C, D, 4 hosts are connected, and host A is going to send an ARP request to host B, and the request reaches every host C and D also, but eventually it reaches the host P, and the host P replies with its MAC address. Now this is covered in Comptia Network Plus. Comptia Network Plus is a complete network program, a network certification which covers modules like network media, like cabling, UTP, STP, coax, fiber optic, and wireless media, network topologies like physical and logical topologies like bus, star, ring, mesh, those topologies, network protocols, then IP addressing and subnetting, then network backup, means it's network backup in storage area network, SAN or NAS, network access storage, those networks, and network security like encrypting data, or IPsec protocols, or PPPHDLC like encryption protocols of LANs and WANs, and VPN, virtual private network, and other WAN protocols like ResLine, MPLS, those things. So everything is covered in Network Plus. The every details of networking is covered in Network Plus, and Network Plus certification will give you an extra edge for a career in networking. So I strongly recommend to you this Network Plus certification. So please join this Network Plus immediately at the Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. And these are contact details for Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. This is a toll-free number that you can see on screen, and the course fee is 12,000. You have to register on or before the 31st August to avail up to 50% discount. So register immediately and join N+ to give extra edge to your career in networking. Register for 500 rupees to avail the offer immediately. Now I'm going to show you the ARP operation in Cisco packet tracer. See, there are 4 PCs connected. PC 0 is going to deliver a packet, say, to PC 3, and you go to PC 0, go to command prompt, and you give the command ARP space -A. You do not have any ARP entries of the PC 3. So what you need to do, you go to the simulation mode, and you just take another switch. You just delete this. You take a switch and you take 4 pieces. You connect it to switch. You give the IP address to the PC, say 10.0.0.1, 10.0.02, and 10.0.04. Now you want to send a packet from PC0 to PC3. Now if you go to the command prompt and you give the address ARP-A, no ARP entries have been found. You go to the simulation mode and you click on edit filters, and you have to only select the ARP but deselect all the other filters because I do not require other protocols, only ARP to be captured. Now click on this simple video, click on here, you can see an ARP packet has been generated. You double click it, you can see the destination address is a broadcast address, that is FFFF means is a broadcast address. And if you go to outbound video details, you will see the destination address is an broadcast address. You can see here also it is an ARP broadcast. The PC knows the source MAC, but it doesn't know the destination MAC address. It knows the source IP and the target IP, destination IP, but the target MAC is not known. It is 0000, means it is unknown. That is why it is sending an ARP broadcast. Now you click on play. You see ARP broadcast is generated and is directed to the switch. Then the switch directs it to all the other PCs, but it is not for this PC or this PC. This is for this PC only, and it gives you the reply of the ARP. Reply comes to the switch, and again it goes to the source. You go to the real time and you go to the PC, and again you give ARP space -A, and now you have the IP address of the destination PC as well as the MAC address. So the PC has got the MAC address of this destination PC. So this is how the ARP operates. So I've shown you the ARP in operation in Cisco Packet Tracer, and I've also demonstrated you theoretically what is ARP. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope it was informative for you. So if you like this, so please like our channel on YouTube, and if you want more videos like this, so please subscribe our channel also on YouTube, and do join us for Network Plus Close immediately for more networking topics. So I'll come with some new topic other day. Till then, it's goodbye.